Well, yes, big week coming in for the primary market. 5 big IPOs are set to open for subscription, and as you mentioned, they're looking to raise a cumulative of about 14,000 crores. Let's talk about them one by one. And first up is Corona Remedies, where it is a pharmaceutical company which is into development, manufacturing and marketing products in women healthcare. Now, it is looking to raise about 655 odd crores. It is a complete OFS, and the price band has been fixed in the range of 1,008 to 1,062 rupees per share. Apart from that, we also have Wakefit Innovations, which is looking to raise about 1,289 crores, part of which is OFS, and the balance is a fresh issue. Now remember, it is a D2C home and sleep solutions company which is known for its high quality and affordable range of mattresses, furniture and other home decor products. So keep an eye out on this IPO as well. The price band is fixed in the range of 185 to 195 rupees per share. Shifting focus to Park MediWorld then, which is looking to raise about 920 odd crores. Again, a mix of OFS and fresh issue. It is looking to raise about 770 crores, and the balance 150 crores is OFS. It is incorporated in 2011, and it is a private hospital chain operating primarily in northern India region. Price band for this has been fixed in the range of 154 to 162 rupees per share. Let's talk about the fourth one then, Nephrocare Health Services. That one is looking to raise about 871 crores, again a mix of OFS and fresh issue. This, remember, provides end-to-end dialysis care through a wide network of clinics. So again, in the healthcare space, and we have seen a lot of IPOs within this space over the last few months, and the trajectory is likely to continue this week as well. ICICI Prudential Asset Management, the biggest of them all and the most spoken of them all. Remember, it is a subsidiary of the listed entity private sector bank ICICI Bank, and they of course provide life insurance services. Now this, remember, is a 10,000 crore IPO. Price band has been fixed in the range of 2,060 to 2,165 rupees per share. It will open on the 12th of December and it will close on the 16th of December. So yes, 5 big IPOs set to open for subscription this week, and all of them will get listed in the due course. So we'll see a lot of action in the primary market over the next few days.